In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom with n8n superfast. We'll get your Zoom account connected to n8n in just a few clicks so you can start automating meeting tasks, webinar workflows, and more. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in to your n8n instance and have the Zoom credentials that your team or account owner has provided. Keep those values handy and secure. You'll only paste them where needed. First, look to the left-hand sidebar in n8n and click Personal. This opens up options specific to your user. From there, go to the Credentials tab. This is where all your connections live and where we'll add Zoom. In the top right corner, click Create Credential. You'll see a catalog of available services and integrations. In the search bar, type Zoom, then select either Zoom API or Zoom OAuth 2 API and click Continue. Pick the option that matches how your Zoom access is set up in your organization. If your team uses OAuth-based access for Zoom, choose the Zoom OAuth 2 API search option. If your setup uses a different Zoom API method provided by your admin, select Zoom API. Either way, you're moving toward the same goal: a secure, reusable connection you can assign to Zoom nodes in any workflow. Next, enter the credentials required for the connection. You'll see clearly labeled fields. Fill them with the values your admin or documentation has given you. Give your credential a descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later inside workflows. If your workspace uses environment variables or secrets management, you can reference those here to avoid pasting sensitive values directly. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The connection is now stored safely in your n8n account. With the credential saved, you can immediately use it inside your workflows. Open or create a workflow, add a Zoom node from the Nodes panel, and, in the Credentials dropdown, select the Zoom credential you just created. From there, you'll be able to choose operations like creating meetings, fetching participants, or managing webinars, depending on what your plan and permissions allow. The best part is you set this once and reuse it across multiple workflows, keeping things consistent and secure. To wrap up, you clicked Personal, opened Credentials, created a new credential, searched and selected Zoom API or Zoom OAuth 2 API, entered your provided details, and saved. Now you're ready to build Zoom-powered automations in n8n quickly and reliably. If you run into any issues, double-check your values and permissions, then save again. You're all set. Happy automating.